These are about 50 patterns, and each pattern is stored in a certain way. So heuristics means accessing patterns randomly. You can access any pattern. Let's say name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Now what a normal student do is that he goes sequentially. He access first pattern, then second, then third. That consumes less energy. You are more comfortable with that, but at the same time it consumes more time. It is less efficient and often traps you in thoughts, and you are unable to conclude to come to the result. So heuristics means using the mind brain system to access any pattern randomly which is only required for solving a particular question. For example, in this particular question only this information is sufficient to solve it. So if you are able to solve this question, then you don't need to bear the brunt of complex processes, calculations and all that. So that is why only certain specific students are able to produce optimized result by working for the same hours. So it's not the number of hours that you work, it is the use of the patterns, the use of heuristics, and which is a very complex task, and it requires a significant amount of time, patience, willpower, you know many things are required. But once you develop a system of heuristics, then you are very sharp at the problem solving skills. So the thing is that what this student did is that he just used random patterns or the mental shortcuts or the heuristics, and that's why he's so fast. Now here comes the question that can a student who is not that efficient be trained in a certain way to be more efficient? The answer is yes. Just work on the mind brain algorithms of the student. Just make him learn the process of using heuristics, the process of using things randomly, instead of going sequentially. So if the student can be trained to think randomly, then certainly his problem solving skills will improve, his problem solving will improve, his time will reduce, his speed will increase, accuracy will increase. So this is the the purpose behind making this video, that to make sure that students can be trained on the exact neural processes, the neural level processes which is needed